today, same day, Wednesday. I'm going to scrap the CD drive. I was going to scrap that one, but I can't, so I can't get the damn thing out. So I'm going to scrap this one. I've got several of these, which I bought over a year ago to make EM pumps. Oh, I need to get a small screw. That's too big. So I've sorted out and got rid of that scrap, put it in the recycling bin. So I've got several of these, which I may do all today actually. Get them out of the way. I just really need the motors out of them. So give me a second and I'll go and get those. I'll do them all today. Excuse the mess in here. Oh crap, I've been digging everything out to look for stuff to recycle and scrap out. So tomorrow I'll be sorting this room out a bit. Okay, that cable. So that's my monitor. So I've got to sort this out tomorrow. You know, I've got a lot of DVD drives in here, CD, DVDs. And again, the reason I got them, so I bought them for scrapping out the motors. But people didn't realise that they have. Well, actually, that's a SATA. Might keep that one. No, I'll probably keep that SATA one. So I'll, any SATA drives I'll probably keep for now. IDE ones I'm not worried about. Might keep one IDE, maybe two. A couple of SATA ones in case my drives fuck up. Alright, so I hope you can see this. So that's a SATA drive. All the aluminium will go over there, my aluminium scrap. Take this off. This is a rewriter as well. Alright. So, we'll leave that in there for now. My hands are bloody aching doing all that other stuff. I'll stick the plastic down here for now. I'll salvage all the screws. The lasers will keep. And we'll stack them in the motherboard box. So that'll go in the motherboard box. And these I'll put in here because they're brass apparently. What I saw on the video, it said there was brass. Okay, so I can't seem to get that out. This is a motor, and that's a motor. I used to throw these away, which I never bloody did now. All that copper in them. Not in a lot of copper, but that's brass. All these screws I salvaged today. Let's get this on because I think my screwdriver's running out. Now I won't video all of this of me doing these, you know. I don't want to bore you to tears. Yeah, some of these have got a smaller. I don't think I've got a smaller one. That might fit here, I don't know. But that should fit it actually. No, it's not fitting it. I don't think I've got a screw to fit it. Maybe this will. I really don't like doing it with these. No, it's not moving. So some of these I might have to leave. But the motors will go in there for now. I really want to get these motors off as well. I don't have nothing to undo them with, which is a bit of a pain. I'm sure I had. Could you try to use my penknife actually, because I think I've done it with that before. Sometimes a penknife will work. Nope. Right. So they will just go in there for now. Same with the circuit boards. Circuit boards have got a little bit of gold on time to time. with the pins there, chips. The only thing is I've got to desolder these, so they'll have to go to one side. These will be saved. I'll put in my toolbox. Mechanisms can be handy at times. Some mechanisms will go in there and they go down on the floor. Another idea, iron rubbers, because you never know when you might need rubber. And don't think the rubber kind of rubber. Now some CD drives have 2 motors in, some have 3. Depends on how old the CD drive is. So you can notice that one's got that one on there, and then the circuit board had that one on there. So that's 2. That is a motor. This is an old board, very old board. Is there a way to get these off? Yes, just pull them off. That's a very old board. All those chips on here, man. I'm not sure that's aluminium. Some of these are easier to get off. I want to do my snippers. These are the ones I do like, these old ones. So these have little silver contacts in them. If I can just open it without causing too much damage. Okay, it's fallen out. That's got a bronze one. I've got a little bit of bronze in that one, I think. Don't know what happened to that. What's the name bit? I think it fell on the floor, the silver tab. Never mind. Yeah. That's the secondary board. So these are the pain getting these off. Oh, this one's got a CD in it. I don't know what's on now. Soon find out sometime. So I use a flathead to get this off. So these are the problem, these are so small. They're hard to get off. So what I do sometimes is I just get the bloody screwdriver and yank it off like so, and I'll keep these. I'll keep those so if I'm not eating pumps. And if it all fails, I'll just snap it off. See, some of them are just too small, so you have to kind of compromise and try and snap them off. Even these little springs can be handy sometimes. You can get them out. So I'll just keep that in like that. Normally they're quite easy to get out these screws, but for some reason they've been a pain in the arse today. So just been a pain in the arse. Some of them are so small, the screws. So this is brass apparently. I just don't have a screwdriver big enough to do it. I'll put it in there. Move on to the next one. Find these little tabs are worth keeping. When I try doing my computers, sometimes they're a bit of a pain to get the jumper setting properly. Sometimes you need two little plastic jumpers. No, I don't really keep the circuit boards. I don't even. There might be stuff in there with copper in them, like these might have copper in. I don't know. gold pins. Oh, you're probably saying, "Yo, what a waste, what a waste." Well, no, if you think about it, it's not going to a waste. The only waste is plastic, and this plastic can be taken and chopped up and reused. So these I'll take out. I would like my cat to come out here time to time, but she'll probably jump up on the wall and fall 40 foot. So it's very high up. Some you can actually just like snap off. Now we're breaking them up. I just can't get a grip on them. Because I've got arthritis in my right hand, I shouldn't be really doing this. But never mind. It's a bit of fun. Another motor. Laser. So these motors I want. Some are easy to get off, some are a pain to get off. See, I could take these off, I'll take them off, but I can't get them off. So they're too screwed in. So for now I'll just have to leave them. Things are knackered. I need WD-40 for some of my tools. It's not gold. Sometimes I have like a gold thing in them, or silver. I think that's brass. I don't think they're gold. As I make the end pumps for the paranormal community with the motors. So that's 3 down, I think. I've got about another 8 to go. Might as well do them all today, get them out of the way with. Just wish I could get some of the other screws out. Smaller ones, get the other little motors out of them. Sometimes you can actually heat them out, or drill them out with a drill. I've not come across one CD drive with more than 2 decent motors in them yet. So you've got gold here. For people after these gold pins. Yeah, some I just have to break. I won't bother with that. Maybe I will. So I don't know if they're still bronze or brass or gold. There's some you can open up and some you fucking can't. So I don't know if that's the silver bit. Sometimes you've got to be careful with the motors there. When you're pulling that board off, you can pull and snap that connector bit off. Right, well, I kept these CD players. There's some of the motors, some of them I took in the living room already. That's all the plastic waste, and that's all the CD cases over there. All that aluminium. So, at least I think it's aluminium. Let's check, get the magnet. It ain't in it still. No, it's still. So all this steel will stay there. Sort that out later in the week, get a box and put it all in. So yeah, that's it for now guys. Time to clear up, train, take a walk up the road and get some dinner. So cheers for watching. Hope the video was a bit better than normal. No, so I can't really help trying to get the angle when it's on my head. I'm going to try to get a tripod, another tripod for it in future. So I just got to sort this out, tidy up, and then go and get some dinner. So cheers for watching, catch you later, catch you on the next one.